Orman Beckles, the high-tech nomad here with another 2-minute tech talk, and we're going to take a look at the Razer Kishi. Specifically, will it work with the Note 20 Ultra? That's the only thing I'm really going to answer here in this video. On my regular channel, the high-tech nomad, I'm going to be doing a full review, what games, I'm going to show you how to use it, and all that great stuff. But on this channel, since we just do things real quick here, I'm going to answer the question that everybody's been asking, which is, can you use the Note 20 Ultra, which is a humongous phone, with the Razer Kishi? So let's go ahead and figure that out. We'll go ahead and open that up. There's not a lot that comes with this. It's going to have a coupon for 14 days on Xbox, but again, that's only if you don't have Xbox. But if you had Xbox, you wouldn't be doing this in the first place. You wouldn't be doing this in the first place. It's got that code from you. Couple of stickers and a book that's going to tell you everything that I'm about to tell you. Let's go ahead and take off the warning label, which just says, "Warning, Will Robinson." Okay. We have another one here, the battery port. Okay. And we have another one on the back. I'm going to leave that one on there, but it basically just lets you know that you should, to open it, you need to do this. So we'll go ahead and we'll do that. Running out of time here. Trying to keep these down to 2 minutes, and I just can't do it. All right. So what you're going to need to do is put your phone in there. Now, normally you would just pull this way and put it in. Problem is that's not going to fit. There's about 1 or 2 millimeters difference between the maximum size of this and the phone. So what you have to do, I'm turning it on an angle so that you can actually see it, but what you're going to have to do is pull it, put it on an angle, and feed it in on the angle. Feed it in on the angle. Once you do that, you're fine. It's not going to damage this. It's not going to, cause this to snap and fly around the room. And I actually like the way it fits once you finally get both of them on. I haven't tried with a smaller phone. I've only tried with the Note 20 Ultra. And what I have found is that when these are on, it's got a nice feel to it. It feels like one solid piece, so I really enjoy that. That's the only question that I'm going to answer in this particular video. If you want to see it in action, please head on over to my regular channel, The High Tech Nomad, where I'm going to have a full review of the product itself and show you how to use it with some of your favorite games, including Xbox and Shadow and Stadia. And I'm going to show you something really special that no other video on the Razer Kishi is going to show you. I'm going to show you how to use it with Samsung decks. So until the next time, this is Orman Beckles, and you've had a 2-minute tech talk.